channel. I am so glad that you joined me today for a mix and match box unboxing. That's a lot of boxes, isn't it? Hey, if you have just stumbled across my channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you found me. I sure hope that you will subscribe. If you like videos all about women's clothing, I think you might enjoy this channel, so I hope you will give it a try. I'm real happy to have received my mix and match box this month, and why, you ask? Because it is affordable. Yes, I have never received a piece in my mix and match box that was just out of my budget, and I really appreciate that. My stylist really does a good job of keeping the pieces in my preferred price point, so that is a huge plus from this box. I have lots of pieces in my closet that I have picked up from mix and match box as well. So if you're not familiar or you want more information about mix and match, I have left everything you need to know in the description box below. Just click on that. You can get better acquainted with mix and match box. And I have left my referral link if you would like to try it for yourself. Please use my link. It helps me out. It supports this channel, so thank you very much. Check it out. It's pretty big. I didn't make any special requests. My stylist does know that I enjoy fun clothing and I like colorful clothing. Let's open this baby up and see what's inside. You're looking at the inside of my box. We see we've got paperwork there. Inside here is a note from my stylist, an invoice, and a return mailer. Postage is free with mix and match box, and this is done through UPS. Here's my bundle. Isn't it pretty? It always feels like a birthday present, or it feels like you're getting a present with mix and match box. And there's no way to peek in the bundle, but it's a heavy bundle. So here is my stack of clothing, and this looks very interesting. Ooh, something in green. I'm liking it. Let's see. On the very top, we have this is a camel colored cardigan, and this is just a simple cardigan. We do have a patch pocket there. Who is this by? This is by Staccato, and this is really a lovely color that I don't have in my closet. It's lightweight, so this will be a nice transitional sweater. Next up is Liverpool, and I love these colors. This is a white button-up, red, white, and blue, actually, with some stripes. And does it button all the way up? It does. No tie, a rounded hemline. We have tab sleeves, which are not my favorite, so I'll show it to you both up and down. A nice crisp collar there. I love it. Liverpool's expensive, but I'm really happy to receive this. Next up is also Staccato. And, okay, so it's a tie front top. It looks to be a high-low. This is I don't know, I'm gonna check the fabric on this one. Let's see the sleeves. There is a elastic sleeve there. We have some mauves and beige and almost a brown stripe in this. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this one at first glance. Hopefully it's really cute on. Next up, we have a piece that I love this color. This is a Dreamer's sweater. Super duper soft. It has that dropped shoulder. It's a V-neck. It's really long. It's a high-low, and it does have the slits on the sides, and I wish you could feel how incredibly soft this is. I love this color. It's almost a coral color orange. I don't know if my camera is picking it up that well, but yeah, I like this one a lot right off the bat. Okay, here was the green. Ooh, it's a dress, and this is a t-shirt type dress by Lush, but the good news is, I don't even know, is this maxi length? This is really long t-shirt-like dress, and we do have the tie detail, which I normally like. These are kind of camouflage for my midsection. Now, this is a springtime, summertime dress. It's got the crew neck on it, and really beautiful color. I'm excited to try this one on, and I'm so happy. The length looks good. Okay, next up we have more Liverpool here, and we have a gray denim, and it's a very clean denim. What does it look like? It's a 4-pocket styling. It's 5-pocket styling, yeah. Really, really clean. Looks to be a straight leg. What does that say? This is the Hugger Skinny. So that is a style that I like, but you guys, I just purchased some very expensive gray denim, so I don't think there's room for these in my closet or my budget, to be honest, right now. So I don't know about these. I love Liverpool. They tend to fit me pretty well. And what do we have? L&B Denim. Okay, that's a brand I'm not familiar with. But, oh, these are cute. Released hem. I like that. These are a very clean denim. They're skinny, and they have the 5 pocket styling. I guess these are going to be price contingent because they don't look a whole lot different from the denim that I have. So we'll try, look, we have stretch. See the stretch? I like that. Okay, I'm excited to try everything on. This looks like a great box. I tried everything on. I have my handy dandy price sheet in front of me, and this box looks pretty good. I really am going to need your help though on a few pieces. I'm going to start with the pieces that I know I am not keeping. Now the good news is with Mix and Match box, they sent me 7 pieces, but I only have to keep 5 pieces to get the 25% discount. So let's see if there's 5 pieces in this box. Okay, the first piece and the most expensive piece are the Liverpool Denim, and these come in at $96. And like I told you when I unboxed these, I just purchased some very expensive gray denim. Now these are in the color Oyster, but let's face it, they're gray, and I really don't need these right now. Another thing, my stylist did write in the stylist note, and I didn't notice when I unboxed these, but these are a size up from my regular size. And she did leave a note saying that these run small, and so she sent a larger size. I appreciate that. I don't like this number. I don't want to buy clothing in larger sizes than I normally wear, and I know it's just a number. It shouldn't matter, but it does matter to me. Is there anybody else out there where this matters? I know, it's crazy. It's all up here, but I can't do that. And besides that, I don't need them. So these are a hard pass for me. And the next piece are the L&B Denim. Now these are a straight leg released hem denim, and these are $45. I was excited to try these on because they are a brand I've never tried before. I'm always curious about affordable denim, but these did not do it for me. Let me see if I can show you. I know you can't really see it in the try on, but the ankles were not the same on both legs. I know it's hard to see because I wore booties in the try on, but I could certainly feel it. I rolled these and they feel more like a straight leg than a skinny, so I didn't like the fit on the bottom of these, not one bit. And they're super stretchy and very comfortable, but they don't pass the squat test. When I bent over, I had to pull them up immediately. These would require a belt, and there's zero tummy control. I looked down and saw my tummy looking lumpy and bumpy in these denims, so these are a hard pass as well. The price is right, but there's something about the fit on me with these denim that just does not make me feel confident or put together. So these are also a hard pass. No denim from this box. The Lush Dress. This is 100% cotton in a beautiful teal green, so it's a t-shirt dress. And she sent this in a size medium. That's my size normally in most clothing. I don't know. I don't know about the fit on this. You guys know I do not use a mirror when I do these try-ons, so I am really depending on your input and feedback to help me decide if this dress is for me. I felt like there was a little bit too much fabric under the arms and also in the tummy area. Now, I don't normally mind that a whole lot. I just don't know. I don't want to look like I'm wearing a bag, but this is 100% cotton, so it's going to be very, very comfortable to wear in the summer. Now, it's also a very thin t-shirt-like fabric. So this isn't really a garment that I could size down in because the fabric is so thin. If it was form-fitting, it would look even worse than running a little bit big. This will probably shrink in the wash just a bit as well. The price on this one is only $38. $38 for a cute little summer dress. Let me know your thoughts on this one because this one I'm really on the fence about. Okay, next up is the Staccato blouse, and this one is $39. Surprisingly, I liked this one much more once I put it on my body. I love when that happens. It has a really lovely V-neck, which I like, and it is a true button up. It was plenty long. I didn't have problems with the length. Now, this is a true button up, but I can pop it over my head. Look at these. It's got the really thin tortoise-like buttons and the loop closure. So that can be really difficult to get in and out of. $39. This is a rayon top. You guys know how I feel about rayon? And just imagine ironing that button up. Okay, this is a real deterrent. Although I like this, I like the colors. I think it looked really nice with the cardigan. I think the colors would work well in my wardrobe. Yeah, it's rayon. Okay, next up is the Liverpool top. And you know what? I am just a sucker for a white, crisp button up, and that's what this one feels like, but it does have a casual flair to it. Now, are you familiar with rails button-ups? That's what this one feels like. It's really soft and thin. And my stylist asked me to pair this with a denim jacket, which I think would look fabulous. I liked the tab sleeve. The length of the sleeve was good down, which is normally how I wear my button downs. I really like this one. $68 for this. It's Liverpool. I feel like that is a great deal. Again, this is super soft. I wish you could feel how soft this one is. Okay, next up is the cardigan by Staccato in this lovely camel color. This is a color I really need. I have lots of camel shoes, camel bags, and this is going to work in so nicely in my wardrobe. My stylist even wrote in her note, "I noticed you don't have this color," which leads me to believe that maybe she watches more of my videos than just the mix and match. Thank you, Lauren, and I love this. You're absolutely correct. I don't have this color. I need this color in my life. And the best part is, this is $35. Right on. I am all about an affordable cardigan, and this one's going to get a lot of use. Of course, I saved the best for last. You guys already know what it is. It's the Dreamers sweater. The invoice says this is pink. And trust me, it's more of a coral color, but it doesn't matter what color it is, I like it. This is such a soft and lightweight sweater, so it's a very nice transitional piece in a really fun color. I love the V-neck. Did you notice it does have a seam down the front of it? It's just a very relaxed fitting sweater, but it's plenty long enough to wear with leggings and jeggings, which is probably the way I will wear it. I appreciate that it's a little longer in the back and covers my bum. I like everything about this one. I'm so happy to have received it, and I just bought some coral earrings that are going to style so nicely with this little number. Yeah, I'm keeping this one, $39. This one is a hit. The total of all 7 pieces in this box is $355. If you buy 5, you get the 25% discount, which is $88.75. I could buy all 7 pieces for $266.25. I'm not doing that. I'm sending both denim back. My favorite pieces are the cardigan and the Dreamers sweater, and just those 2 alone comes to $74. If I kept 5 pieces and just sent the denim back, the total of that is $219, but I still get the discount. That discount would be $54.75, which would bring the total to $164.25. Without a doubt, I am keeping the cardigan and the Dreamers sweater. Let me know what you think about the Liverpool top, the cotton dress, and the rayon blouse. You know I really don't want the rayon blouse. It's $39, but my discount is $54. So there's the catch. I can't wait to hear what you think about the items in this mix and match box. Could I get you to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it? Thank you so much for all your support. I will have another video for you in just a couple days. I sure hope you will return for that one. I can't wait to see you again. Blessings to all of you.